Hello everyone, I'm Gavin here with another AI tutorial. So in this video, you're going to take a look at AdsLibrary.AI, an app that allows you to save ads, download them, and share them with your team so you can reuse them for your advertising and marketing. So the app has folders that you can use to organize the ads that you save. It also has a Chrome extension that will enable you to download these ads and save them from platforms like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok. So let's take a look at how it works. The first thing you might want to do is get a free trial using my affiliate link in the description. You can also go to AdsLibrary.AI if you don't like using my affiliate link. No issues at all. So this is the ads library. This is how it looks like. So before we install the Chrome extension, we are going to take a look at some of the features that it has. And for example, right here we have like a screenshot or an overview of what the AdsLibrary.AI looks like. So you can save ads from FB ads, TikTok. We have TikTok organic and Instagram organic. So these are the types, or let's say like the types of ads that you can save. As I'm going to be showing you just in a minute, you're going to log into my Instagram and I'm going to be showing you what the Instagram organic means. So next, what we have here is the online ads library. We have AI search features, we have ad filters, we have ad details, custom tag, and active status. So this ads library.ai can tell you whether a page has an active ad or not. It's the ads active status. So next we have ads download, as I've already mentioned, and then we have a stream of ads. So what they have done is collect a number of ads from different brands. 600,000 ads have been collected from over 80,000 brands and combined into a library that you can choose, save these ads and reuse them for your reference when you are doing your advertising and marketing. And they are updated daily. So we have categories. You can create folders, just like I mentioned earlier. You can create swipe folders. What a swipe folder is you simply create a folder and you put in your best ads. So you save your ads there and you can use them for reference later to do your marketing. That's what a swipe folder is. So the AdsLibrary.ai gives you the ability to organize your ads in folders, which is very cool, right? So this is the overview or an example of how the folders will be looking like, and this is a plus button to add your folder. We are going to take a look in a minute. So we have talked about downloading ads, we have talked about folders, we have talked about the ads library. Now this is sharing for links, and with the sharing tool we can be able to share the whole folder, a group of ads. Yeah, so you already know how the teams work. So by sharing this to your team, you are allowing them to leave comments. So this is the team comments right here. So we just talked about downloading ads from different platforms. We talked about the installing of Chrome extension, which I'm going to show you how to install. One of the things that the Chrome extension does is it allows you to save different assets from the ad. For example, save the videos, save the images, and any data that you want, the details from the ad. Here are the different assets that you can download from the ads, different assets. So one of the assets is the ad copy, and then you have the full landing page, and it also gets the format of the ad. It's a quick overview right here on the right hand side. So we can save in bulk, and that's one of the things that the Chrome extension will help us do, saving ads in bulk and taking screenshots. So that said, let's take a look at how to install the Chrome. By the way, you have a 7 days trial to try the app, and then we have the affiliates if you want to become an affiliate for AdsLibrary.ai. Alright, so now that you know about what the AdsLibrary.ai does, saving ads, downloading them, sharing them with your team so they can leave comments, and reusing them in folders, organizing them in folders so that you can reuse them for your advertising. Like reuse them as reference for your advertising and marketing. So now let's take a look at how to install the Chrome extension and get started. So from AdsLibrary.AI, just click on install Chrome. You should probably first click on start free trial, so that by the time you install the Chrome extension you are already logged in. But let's first install the Chrome extension, and then we can take a look at the pricing and we can log in and continue. So Chrome extension, click on add to Chrome and then click on add extension. And here are more screenshots to help you get a quick overview what the AdsLibrary.AI does. So if you want to turn on sync for your mobile phone, that could be nice too. So first thing you do is go up here on the extensions, click on the AdsLibrary extension and click on pin, so that it stays up here with other extensions. Next is click on continue with Google if you already have an account. If you don't have an account, just click on register. So as usual, just click on continue with Google, and we are done from there. Just choose your account and then we go. Now for me, I already have an account, but if you don't, I think you might have to first set up a password. So I've already installed the Chrome. I don't know why these guys haven't yet updated that. I already have the Chrome now. So next thing is to check out the Facebook ads library. Now the thing is, with my Facebook, I have to first install a VPN. But let's check out TikTok ads library. From the ads library, these are ads that are already saved, that we talked about. 600,000 ads from over 80,000 brands. So these are some of the ads from TikTok. Okay, so what you can do is save to ads library. So AdsLibrary.AI has gone through the internet and collected for you all the ads that that might be useful for your business. So you can compare from the drop down. You can save direct to a folder. So I can say our default folder and then give it a name, education, and click on create. So now I can save from education. This is a folder, and then you have a sample folder within this group. This is a whole group folder. Okay, so that's one. Next is we go to, let's say, TikTok organic. Now this one is not an ad, but if you scroll through, I believe you can find an ad. But even if it's not an ad, you can still save this to the ads library, straight to your folder. Now this is because of the extension that we just installed. Without the extension, you cannot see this. So that's the use of the extension, of the Chrome extension, the AdsLibrary.AI. So, and let's try Instagram. I'm not sure I'm logged in right now. So let's try Instagram ads. Okay, now that you have seen how the AdsLibrary.AI works with TikTok ads or with TikTok videos, let's try out the Instagram ads and see how the ads library works right there. So you can already see how it works with Instagram. Notice up here on each video in the Instagram or each photo, you can be able to save it. So this is an image. Remember, you can save images, you can save videos, and so this is the folder you created. This education. You can also create another folder right here, and maybe you can call it photography or videography or cinematography, and click on save to ads library. So you're going to go back to the ads library.ai dashboard and check out these photos that we have saved. Let's also save this video right here. Save it to sample group. No, save it to events. Okay, so we have events right here, and click on save to ads library. That's it for the samples. For example, now I might have to first install a VPN for Facebook to work. At least you have seen how it works in Instagram, and Instagram is a Meta product as well as Facebook, so it should probably work the same way as it would just work here in Instagram. So let's go back to AdsLibrary.AI dashboard. So we have done this. We have installed the AdsLibrary.AI Chrome extension, and we have checked out how it works with TikTok organic TikTok ad library, and we have also checked out how it works with Instagram organic. So we have clicked on save ads to library. We have done this. So what we want to do now is go to our folder right here and see. I think we might have to refresh the page to see our other folders that we have created. So one was education. We saved one ad here which I'm not seeing, and another one was events. So here you can see the ad that we saved under events, but we can, let's try to save another one in education from Instagram. This should be in education. No, it shouldn't be in education. Let's put this one in sports. So this one in sports, and click on save ads library. Come back to your ads library and click and refresh the page. Go back to sports, and we have our ad there. So this is how you share the ad. This link right here. Copy the link and share it with your team. So right now we are using a basic plan, and the difference is we cannot access sharing with the team, but you can access that with the advanced. So let's take a look at the pricing. So as you can already see, one user for the basic plan, which is now we are using a free trial for 7 days, but it's $39 per month, unlimited ads to save, and a growing library of the ads that we just mentioned, and ads download Chrome extension. So the difference is the team. So with the advanced $99 per month, you can be able to join or to add another person to people. So you are 3 on the team, unlimited ads, and the rest I think is the same. So that's for per month, but we also have annual plans, and 400 per year and 1000 per year. So it seems like a lot, but if you are able to get all this data from those big brands, the ads that they use, and you know how they do their marketing, I think it's really worth it. So if you have any questions, right here is the FAQs. And if you want to check out more AI apps that you can use for your marketing and advertising, be sure to check out my blog post at mugabeimran.com. Also check out my other video. We just posted a video about the 10 best AI tools that you can use for your marketing and advertising right here on the YouTube channel. So be sure to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and share the video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. So this one has AdsLibrary.AI, which helps you save ads. Maybe in the next video we'll take a look at how it works in Facebook. We've taken a look at how to save ads, share the ads with your team, and we have taken a look at Instagram and TikTok. Maybe in the next video we'll take a look at Facebook. So thank you very much for joining me in this one, and I hope to see you in the next video.